Today I'm going to share with you the most amazing pear hazelnut crostata. You do not want to miss this recipe, so stay tuned. Here's all the ingredients that you're going to need to make this amazing dessert. 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of milk or heavy cream. 3 pears, 3 tablespoons of nuts. I'm using hazelnuts, 4 tablespoons of bittersweet chocolate, 2 to 4 tablespoons of sugar in the raw. You can also use regular granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tart dough recipe or pie dough, and I have this recipe on my channel, so I'll leave a link in the description box below to that. So you're going to have to roast your nuts. Just put them on a pan and roast them at 350 for about 5 to 10 minutes. You're also going to need a towel. This is where the nuts are going to go, and you're going to put the nuts in there and cover them up so that they steam, and that way the shells will cut, the outer coating which is on the hazelnuts will come off easily. Then take your hazelnuts and put them onto a clean towel and just fold that over. You can also use Scott towels for this with the hazelnuts in there. And what that does is it removes the shells, or not shells, but the outer coating. Just like this. You want all your nuts to be like this. And the ones that are a little stubborn, you can do by hand. They should come off fairly easily. And you're going to want to prepare all your ingredients ahead. I'm just going to roughly chop the hazelnuts. And then you're going to rough cut your chocolate. And then you want to peel your pears. Make sure you get your pears early at the grocery store, because it's pretty rare that you go to the grocery store and there's really nice, perfectly ripe pears. So what I did was I bought these pears a few days ago, and I brought them home, and they were pretty firm, and I wrapped them in paper and put them in a dark place, and they ripened perfectly. They're a little firm still, but they're also ripe enough to have some good flavor. So do that with all 3 of your pears. So now we have everything prepared ahead to put on the top of your tart shell. Next step is to make the tart shell. Next, you want to mix together your egg and your milk or cream, and then just brush that right onto the whole entire pastry. Then your pears. Nuts and the chocolate. Then 1 tablespoon of the sugar, and then you're going to fold over the edges. And then you take your egg wash and you brush along the crust. Follow that with the rest of the sugar. And that's going to go around the edges. Just a pinch of salt. And you're ready to pop it in the oven at 350. Takes about 40 minutes to bake. And there we go. Smells amazing. Thanks for watching, and I really appreciate all of your likes, comments, and shares. Let me know if you do try this recipe. I'd like to know what you think. You can also do this with almonds, by the way, and this would be a great dessert for Easter. I'm planning on making one. And don't forget to subscribe. All my links are in the description box below each video. So we'll see you next week.